pleasure, Mr. Schwartz.
Call me Marvin. Put it there. That your son?
No, it's my stunt double, Cliff Booth.
Last night we watched a Rick Dalton double feature. All the shooting. I love that stuff, you know, all the killing.
A lot of killing.
Anybody order fried sauerkraut? From you Nazi bastard!
Seems this world got you down. You're feeling bad, vibration.
Are you an actor?
No, I'm a stuntman. Girl, look at me. Oh, you still the wreck, huh? Still here. You can do anything you want to him.
I heard you to be an actor, Rick, not a TV cowboy. You're better than that.
Line. Cut! Embarrass yourself like that in front of all those goddamn people. All right, what's the matter, partner? It's official, old buddy. Well, has been.
August night and the leaves hanging down and the grass on the ground.
Here I am, flat on my ass. Now, who I got living next door to me?
I'm Sharon Tate. I'm in the movie.
You're in this?
That's me. I play Miss Carlson, the klutz.
It's a ragged tent where there ain't no tree
Charlie's gonna dig you.
and that gospel group traveling salvation show.
In this town, that can all change like that.
Hello, hi. My name is Freddie Jones. I'm the one that was refused to be a star at Hollywood when those pretend star as kill and use human to doing their movie. That's mean what those pretend star at Hollywood what they has done. When a man and woman like we are inside the world, like 19% of men and women and animal. 81% was mutant. That means they can't do nothing. So they use human on Earth to try to sing, doing movie, and stole their song. They try to stole their song. They try to stole their movie. So all movie like Carrie, Night of Demon, and The Ring, all those horror movie, Alien was true even, and all those human has been killed inside movie. And those survivor hasn't declared that all those movie was true even. I was the one who was alive that I was see those mutant who was trying to chase me around the world, and those person who tried to chase me wasn't further than your government, Donald Trump, Justin Trudeau, Barack Obama, George Bush, those church around me. Writing 3 books about that. The book was I Hate You More Than You Ever Know, the First War of the World, the Golden Age, and I Heard Through the Grave Ape Line. That was the 3 book that I'm writing now, and I spoke about those my survivor about and my refusing about prostitution, Tylenol pills, knows about those solo kill in car accident, and you see my knowledge was more higher than regular men on Earth. That's those person who didn't get this knowledge was Nephilim in the Bible. You can see their name, Nephilim, who was a mutant. The real word was mutant. They have tried to sneak with other words like Vogul. They have tried to use Nephilim, but there was mutant, Tarantino, Leon DiCaprio, Mangaliano, Channing Tatum, and those pretend star. What those pretend star has attempt to doing with all those movie goes until American Pie, who prove and over the top to prove that they got life inside, survivor inside this world, who has been shadowed by those government movie producer like Stephen King, religious to those cult and religious inside those city. What do you think they're doing? They try to chase men and women inside the movie, inside the city around Hollywood, to try to make sure you won't go to become a real star. That means no frauding, no corruption, no drugs who kill, and no prostitution. A real man and woman, beautiful animal. So those religion inside the city was brought by the government, not the government, the Dragon Lincoln before, who was a soul who need those immigrants who pray them to bring inside America around men and women and animal, and those soul attempt to make sure that none will go in Never Hollywood to without selling their soul, like those pretend star who was rats. If you split the words in two, you can see that those rats, what they has done suicide. Jim Morrison, Easy, they has burning in hell, in fire, in not hell. Hell was she in French, hell. For those fool who can't have a woman, and using prostitution, kidnapping, and you see rape, and you see I was the survivor inside this world. I was the survivor inside this world. You see where until goes those souls try to go when I talk to. They try to take our words that way when men talk, and I was refusing. Even they has asked me to selling alcohol, like to become a millionaire, like Molson. I was refusing, and all those hero in movie who became zero when the knowledge wasn't spread. They attempt to doing the same curse with me when I was refusing, and I was prepared the presentation inside my video that I show you now about those curse who try to blocking men and women around the city in Never Hollywood. Even in America it was the same. I show you. Even a movie, a simple movie like American Pie, there's a shadow wed was a true event to make sure that the other Nephilim mutant on Earth who can't live like we live, sport woman and everything, will be find curse in front of all those men and women. And those movie producers are shadow wed the information to make sure that the world would stay stupid. And if you want to follow me on my Facebook, Freddy Jones, Instagram, Freddy Jones, and Twitter, Freddy Jones. And I got my 3 books that I talk to you. And you can read my book for more detail. And I post several videos about those curses on YouTube. You can find me on YouTube too. So if you got more questions, find me.